Hey, and welcome to a new video of Azure Information Protection, the admin series. In one of the previous videos, we created a label without any protection, and that label was a part of a scope policy. So in this one, we're actually going to create or actually adjust that label to add protection to it. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is just go into my Azure portal, and here again I have my Azure Information Protection. Going back to my scoped policies. So remember, I created a scope policy for our financial team, and if you haven't seen that video yet, it's available within the same playlist on this YouTube channel. So going into the policy, and we created a label under the confidential category, confidential financial, and we've gone through the whole configuration in a different video, but what is really important here is I want to set the permissions. So I'm going to protect, and then I can choose the Azure cloud key. And now I'm going to set the permissions. So I can either use a defined template, set the permissions myself, which I'm going to do. And what I want to do is add the permissions to my security group financial team. So I'm going to here browse the directory. Look for financial team. There we go. And what I can do now is choose a permission set based on name. So I can do co-owner, co-author, reviewer, viewer, or custom. So in the custom, I can define what I want to do myself or what the permissions are. So in this case, the only thing they will be able to do is view, open, and read and allow macros. But since it is a part of my team, I want it to be the reviewer, which allows them to edit. But since it is financial data, I don't want them to print it and that kind of stuff. So set OK. Now the other one that we can define is the content expiration and the fact if we can allow it to be offline accessed or not. Here you can define the content expiration. If you do it by date, by that time, actually the content will expire based on the date or either by names, and then allow offline access. For example, if people are on, let's say, an airplane or somewhere where there's no internet connection, are they going to be able to open that document? If you really want 100% protect it, I do not want offline access. And save it. Save it again here. There we go. And like always, we need to publish our labels so that people can use this. So now we publish it. And that is it. Nothing more, nothing less. So again, if you wanna see more videos, check out my YouTube channel. If you want to reach out to me, here's where you see the contact details. So feel free to reach out to me through those channels as well. And if you have more questions around this topic, you know where to find me. And thank you for watching.